Welcome back to Slow and Simple English. We are so happy you're here.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore a very important part of your day, something everyone experiences.
That's right, Mia. Think about it. Every morning you do so many things, right? From the moment your eyes open until you walk out the door.
Exactly, but when someone asks you, "Hey, what did you do this morning?" Many of our students tell us they only know how to say,
I woke up.
Yes, just I woke up. But is that all your morning is? Is it really that simple?
Not at all. Your morning is full of important actions, little decisions, and even some small challenges.
And knowing how to describe these small, everyday actions in English is super useful. It helps you have real conversations.
Today, we will break down an entire morning routine, step by step, using simple, practical English. We will speak very slowly and clearly so you can hear every sound, understand every word, and practice with us.
If you follow along and try to say the words and sentences with us, you will definitely remember them. This will give you the confidence to talk about your own morning in English. Are you ready to learn some incredibly useful English for daily life? Let's begin.
So, Mia, let's dive right in. Let's start from the very beginning of your day today. How did you start your day?
Okay, Leo, my day started. My alarm clock woke me up. I woke up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. That's quite early for some people, but for others it's normal. So you woke up. But did you feel fresh and ready to go immediately, like being ready for the day?
Oh no. Definitely not Bing. I was still a little. How to say it? I was still very sleepy. My eyes were still heavy.
Sleepy? Yes, I understand that feeling perfectly. It's like your brain is still in dreamland. So you woke up at 7 a.m. and you felt sleepy. What was the very first thing you did next? Did you jump out of bed right away?
Not immediately, Leo. That's a rare morning for me. My first action is usually to press snooze on my alarm clock.
Press snooze, so you push that button that says sleep for 9 more minutes. Many people do that. How many times do you usually press snooze?
Usually once. But on colder mornings, or if I went to bed late, maybe twice.
So you press snooze once or twice, and then, after those extra minutes of sleep, what happens?
After pressing snooze, I finally realize it's really time to get up. So I slowly get up.
Get up, that means you sit up in bed and then you stand up. You swing your legs over the side of the bed. It sounds like a small battle getting up, doesn't it?
Sometimes it is a battle, especially on Monday mornings. So the sequence is wake up, press snooze, and then get up. That's a very common start for many people, I think.
It is, and all these phrases are great for your English. Woke up, pressed snooze, got up. Try saying them with us. So after you successfully get up, where is the first place you go, Mia?
My very first destination is always the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom.
The bathroom, of course, a very important room in the morning. And in the bathroom, what do you do first?
At first, I need to brush my teeth. I squeeze some toothpaste onto my toothbrush.
Squeeze toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Very clear. And how long do you brush your teeth for?
I try to brush for at least 2 minutes, like the dentist says. So I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth, essential for fresh breath and clean teeth. What's next after brushing your teeth?
After that, I wash my face. I splash some water on my face and use a gentle cleanser.
Wash my face, that always makes me feel more awake, so brush my teeth and wash my face. You're starting to feel much fresher now, right? Your sleepy feeling is slowly going away.
Exactly. And sometimes, if I have enough time, especially before a busy day, I take a shower.
Take a shower. So you step into the shower, turn on the water, use soap and shampoo. Do you prefer hot showers or cold showers in the morning?
Definitely a warm shower. It helps me relax and fully wake up. After the shower, I use a towel to dry myself off.
So in the bathroom we have brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, and dry myself off. 4 very useful actions, and all of them happen before you even think about breakfast. After the bathroom, you must be truly hungry, Mia. Your stomach is probably rumbling. What do you usually have for breakfast?
Oh yes, very hungry. My stomach starts making noises. So I go to the kitchen.
The kitchen, my favorite place in the morning, especially when the smell of coffee starts to fill the air.
Me too. Yesterday I made toast for breakfast.
Made toast, simple, quick, and delicious. How do you make your toast? Do you use a toaster?
Yes, I put 2 slices of bread into the toaster. I press the lever down and wait for them to pop up. Sometimes I like it lightly toasted, sometimes a bit more golden.
Pop up, that's a great verb. So you toasted your bread. What else did you have with your toast?
I spread some jam on my toast. Strawberry jam is my favorite.
Strawberry jam sounds delicious. And I also remember you mentioned something else.
Yes, I also boiled an egg. A soft boiled egg.
Boiled an egg. Do you put it in a pot of water? How long do you boil it for a soft boiled egg?
I put it in a small pot with water and let it boil for about 6 minutes. Then I carefully peel the egg.
So you made toast, spread jam, and boiled an egg. A classic and healthy breakfast. What about a drink?
And I always drink coffee. Black coffee for me.
Black coffee, very strong. Do you make it yourself, or do you have a coffee machine?
I have a small coffee maker. I put coffee grounds and water in, and then it drips into my mug.
That's a nice ritual. So for breakfast, you prepared toast, spread jam, boiled an egg, and brewed coffee. 4 more great phrases. And you enjoyed your breakfast, right? Did you eat it quickly or slowly?
Right, I try to eat slowly and enjoy my first meal of the day. It gives me energy for the day and a quiet moment.
After breakfast with a full stomach and a warm cup of coffee, what's the next step? Do you immediately leave the house?
Not yet, Leo. There are still a few important things to do. After breakfast, I go back to my room. It's time to choose my clothes for the day.
Choose my clothes. Sometimes that takes a long time, doesn't it? Especially if you have an important meeting or want to look nice.
Yes, sometimes. Especially if I can't decide what to wear. I might try on a few different outfits.
Try on, so you put them on, look in the mirror, and then maybe take them off if you don't like them. That can take 10 minutes easily.
Exactly. But once I finally choose, I get dressed.
Get dressed, that means putting on all your chosen clothes, your shirt, your pants, your socks, your shoes.
Yes, and after I get dressed, I quickly check my phone.
Check my phone, that's almost an automatic habit for many of us, isn't it? To see if there are any new messages or important notifications.
Just a few messages from friends or work emails. I quickly scroll through them.
Scroll through, good verb, so after checking your phone, what's next?
Then I pack my bag. I put my laptop, my notebook, my pens, my water bottle, and sometimes a snack inside.
Pack my bag, so you gather everything you need for the day and put it neatly inside your bag. It's like preparing for an adventure.
It is. And one last thing before I finally leave my room and head out the door. I always make my bed.
Make my bed, that means making it look neat and tidy, pulling the sheets up, fluffing the pillows. Why do you always make your bed, Mia?
My mom always taught me that a tidy bed makes the whole room feel clean and organized. It's a small habit, but it makes a big difference to start the day feeling calm and in control.
That's a wonderful habit. So choose clothes, try on outfits, get dressed, check phone, pack bag, make bed. These are all essential steps before leaving the house. Mia, your morning routine sounds very smooth and organized. But sometimes mornings can have little surprises, right? Have you ever had a morning where something went a little bit wrong?
Oh, absolutely, Leo. Mornings are not always perfect. Just yesterday, actually, I had a small problem.
Oh, tell us, this is interesting.
So I was just about to leave. My bag was packed, my bed was made. I was ready to open the door, and then I realized I couldn't find my keys.
Oh no, your keys, that's a classic morning panic. What did you do? Did you get nervous?
A little bit nervous, I immediately started looking for them. I checked my bag first, thinking maybe I had already put them inside. But no, they weren't there.
So you checked your bag, that's the logical first place, and if not there.
Then I started looking on my nightstand, on my desk, and even under the sofa. I was really starting to worry because I was running late.
Running late is never a good feeling in the morning. So, where were they? Where did you finally find them?
After about 5 minutes of searching and feeling quite stressed, I remembered. I had put them in my jacket pocket from the day before. My jacket was hanging on the chair.
Ah, your jacket pocket, that happens to me all the time. You put something in a safe place and then forget where it is.
Exactly. So I quickly grabbed my keys from my jacket pocket, took a deep breath, and finally left the house.
So that morning you had an unexpected search mission for your keys. It shows that even a well-planned morning can have its challenges. But you solved it, you found your keys and still made it out the door.
Yes, it was a good reminder to always put my keys in the same place every evening. A lesson learned.
Wow, Mia, your morning routine is not only clear but full of exciting details and even a little adventure with your keys.
Yes, and all those actions, all those small phrases, are super useful for daily life. We've learned so much more than just, "I woke up today."
Absolutely, we've covered.
That's right. These are practical English phrases you can use for your own morning. We spoke slowly, and we hope you understood everything clearly.
So the next time someone asks you, "How was your morning?" or "What did you do today?" you won't just say, "I woke up" anymore. You'll have so many more words to share your story.
And now it's your turn to practice and share. We love hearing from you.
We want to know about your morning routine. Think about all the new words and phrases we learned today.
Do you press snooze once, twice, or maybe never? Do you make toast, or do you prefer something else for breakfast, like cereal or oatmeal?
Do you always make your bed like Mia, or do you leave it for later? And what about a small morning challenge? Have you ever lost your keys or something important in the morning?
Leave a comment below and share your morning story in English. Don't worry about making mistakes. This is a safe place to practice. We will read your comments.
Your comments help other students learn too. It's a great way to build our slow and simple English community.
If you enjoyed this slow, clear, and detailed lesson and found it helpful for your English learning, please give this video a big thumbs up. Like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Slow and Simple English for more everyday lessons that help you speak English with confidence.
Make sure you hit that little bell icon too. That way, you won't miss any of our future lessons, stories, or vocabulary builders. We're making more videos just like this for you every week.
We are so grateful for your support. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you next time for more slow and simple English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep learning.
See you soon.